How to cancel YouTube TV subscription. So if you want to cancel your YouTube TV subscription, you can simply go with your computer or your mobile device. So first you need to open up your browser, and under browser you need to go and search for youtube.tv. Once you search for YouTube TV, now you just need to simply go with the upper right where you'll have sign in, and you just need to simply go and sign into your account. So ensure that you're logged into the account associated with your subscription. After that, you need to tap on your profile picture, which will be on the bottom right. So first make sure to sign into your account, and then you will have account option. Tap on account, and under the menu from account you will have settings and then membership. Once you find the membership option, you need to go and tap on manage to proceed. You'll then see the option to cancel membership or pause your membership. So you can simply go and cancel your membership, select the cancel membership option to start the cancellation process, and follow the prompts provided to confirm your decision to cancel. So that's how you can cancel your YouTube TV subscription on a mobile device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.